Alan Watts often spoke of life as a game, a playful, spontaneous journey that we take far too seriously. But what if we started to view it for what it really is? A game to be mastered, not a battle to win. Watts challenges the conventional way we view life. Most people think life is about struggling, overcoming obstacles, and fighting against fate. But Watts saw it differently. He believed that life, much like a game, is about engagement, presence, and flow. When you stop resisting the flow of life and begin to play it with openness, you start to unlock its true potential. The first step to hacking life is to stop thinking of it as a series of obstacles you must conquer. Instead, see it as a dance where you adapt, respond, and flow with the rhythm of life. Just like any game, there are rules, yes. But once you understand the rules, you stop fighting them and begin to play. Think about it. When you're playing a game, the goal isn't always to win. Sometimes it's about enjoying the process, understanding the game's mechanics, and becoming better at it with each play. In life, this means embracing challenges as part of the experience, not as things to fear. It's about seeing every twist and turn as an opportunity to grow, to evolve, and to learn. Watts famously said, "You are the universe experiencing itself." And once you recognize this, you start to understand that you are both the player and the game. Life isn't a series of events to resist. It's an experience to be lived fully and freely.